ama nwomesua o school ye ni nyina ye den etumpon an program no so akwaba memenda asan akọ aba an grandpa tabi an se meji makonya ena de ekọ no enya de omo makonya olmai mafa me poma ama esmende mejina ho saa that's a very very hot day, very hot day. E be she time de ana ye be edime so say e bia homatrofo no tuma ya na wo so waye ne ntem na wafre ene unim bibi se o hwe nimde kwa nkyere ntem na wantwen na wo de mi fi ase enti me so gi Vodafone 10 cedis why ready yanko me money straight e ji hwe ni zero no me so ya tie ni ye ai yanko nim se why ready me ma Vodafone kwa san na ya ase Vodafone 10 cedis aye 7863631535142 Vodafone mami ma MTN so 5 cedis na eno so yanko se wa nya akire mesan ya boss obia enya onsa kan obetumi afre MTN enso na eba no hey am for your fast okay yanko bako 56283577 ngochi 9333 amam for no ezo we philologist dia ene onzaka ni sheda na ya na me nsa ni nyina aka agro no ho e ma ne yede eye bi ho na so se odi kan ehwe nimdia kwankyere odu wa video ni kwa to Royal TV enti ana mama credit 20 cedis flat obi won microphone mi ni ba ko bo ha na wa ko bo ha waya de pa wati ene agro no ebe yede tene emofra a ofi Promise Preparatory School ana ebe di agro tene Promise for be poems also more cadet ho also be display ade omo wono no na anika obi a obi anani eje ho ana obi a wone ope ne ba bi opese wode na setena eden efa nti omo so ebe ba be kire omo ebobre ene eno achi no monitua opani yankwana yankwana also ade grandpa to oboa whether no ade grandpa enye yie kra ena minini mienu ya say NACOPS Ghana National Council of Private Schools omo ba be conference bia eye kakraka maybe sebisa no ehon nsem na ode aba na so nim ema rain fikra sa dwumadi a onsa aken Mana International School mana de eze ya body na ma eze ya kama na nsase ekirikirim bium obrama UGC ofri mana ne ese Janet Educational Complex Janet na no bi se Royal TV kwa odia okay Janet obono homode pa ono so Janet Educational Complex ka ho bi ana dwumadi de bro ya kanya Pella Model School ya no Pella for display papa hey Pella for display pa na special request and go say grandpa me fa Pella program no emra ebeba wati ebeba na so yi ebie school na sa na wonsa aka Pella Model School aka school sa almost so dwumadi asene ya ka enya Joy Standard nso so ka ho bi Joy Standard school aba ho miensa hey nyagro kra tezi almost so almost na ho ma Janet Educational Complex man and Pella David almost so gina mu den tezi o ma ba be sponsors no we proprietor akwanya da so awo ho be sponsors of this program no ho now yes sir ebe boa wo say ka see e pesca free baby there is a program ya gabu so na so pe school for no your program into omo na fa ho ka measurement na ho wati say na ne promise for aba omo so munye ja omo ho no ai sana etie dwumadi no ebe ko so kama pa ane mi twam kasa no so ade obi so ade grandpa ntim de kasa tenten na man mafade aka no mi twam de no so na yakọ promise ni akotie mofra omo so mbeka anyensem ma menkai we say omo ye mofra a live program nyase yakotwa ne yesho enti bibi techema esa wote ase aha no we keep quiet enyeye ana look on bia so ni ha enti de be ye bia ne yekoye nim eno ano no enti ye hwe mofra no dwumadie no enti me ma ho na be di kan yakasa good and the Obashasi. Who are Hanika? Good. Now about so. Yes, now about so. Good. Now about so. Aha. And the Obashasi, no near so Edward. Young Quay.
My mama ho and any a gentleman machine. Medin the Abigail Poco Fempon, Madi in Fieldu. My name is Mamma Beckay. Martini Day say, Suku Abafa. Me a Suku Abafa. Had you so Edumana Mayor? Why not on a mayepe? Me in Shaba Pracope. Some man from Mercy and Niagara. My name is Mapa. My dream baby. A mamma on Nansini. I was send you my church for. If we say, my dad shall say, meant to my business acida, Madame.
Why are they pa? Anuati. Young couple for Tosmino. Now, aha, good. My dear ones so. Yakasaka Kamarati. Aha, young quay.
Maman, c'est ma père et la fille avec. Bonjour de la semaine. Lundi, Monday, Mardi, Tuesday, Mercredi, Wednesday, Jeudi, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Dimanche, Sunday.
Hey, merci à Bem Diane, yes, see. That's what they did in SC. I don't know. No one merci, no. Just thank you, Damasi. I want to tell so. Yes, aha. Also, Claudia.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Deborah Nana Ajabuachua. I am 9 years old. I am in BS3. The title of my poem is Learning. Learning. Where does learning end? Learning has no end. Learn to acquire knowledge. For goals can be achieved only through learning. Let us learn every second. Minutes and hours. For goals can be achieved only through learning. Do you remember Dr. Kwame Nkrumah? Have you said to Bible to Dr. Kofi Annan? Will you forget S from then J.A. Kufu? They reach to the top through learning. If learning makes you confused, now read instead. Try hard. Go forward. If knowledge is power, it is only through learning. Thank you.
Thank you. Knowledge is power. It's only through learning. Why are they power? What's your midday? I do myself. 50. Aha. Yeah, because I can say yes, 50. Can't be any uncle. Where we on? Yay! Why are they pa? Thank you. What the head there? As our voice, no. We were too like a chimu minimum call a slow cacanca voice number. And so I be a more call me chimuno. Now so maybe I want him mati a pa. Why are they? I cry over TV so. Aha. I do my so. Aha. Good. Count the name quay.
Bonjour, mademoiselle de Monsieur. Je m'appelle Phoebe Ananga. Je fréquente l'école des promesses. Je suis au CPD. Je viens réciter. Récitation. Ma main. Voici ma main. Elle a zingué droit. A voici deux. A voici trois. Celui-ci les petits ballons. C'est mon gros. Oupsi, c'est non. Regardez. 23 travailler. Chacun con son petit métier. Au point, au bel. Merci. Au revoir.
Good. Merci. Au revoir. What's why I dear papa. Hey, promise. Why I dear most my baby. Oh baby, so my can be my cancer. Come. Why I dear pa. Miss Low. Answer ni be try ho abana me manifest stage. Ne ja hanom ama asoja for no. My music credit no so biu. Now so answer na music credit no so no. Tigo for no after me we chiri o say adenti na omo de mama bi Tigo for de na eba. 442484430 Mammo bium open time crowd do 4424484430 08 333 5 Ozaka Tigo phone and no if you are messing about near me but on second free they will say I'm passing my child credit Mr. in try and work a crabby yeah ba it did that kind of Robert Thomas can want some issue KCB and I said the business of Chile the show crying I'm a private school and yen munyam cause why you made the wati cause why Royal TV na obeying shira offer me grandpa yenshia e onimdia kwanchire program so e Royal TV memenda nonan epa hosima aduasa yenshia na yensusu ensem ho yensin konya yeni agro yentonton adwen Ghana National Council of Private Schools NACOS redefining the face of private schools woman na waka awofo achechirefo school ru anom ene obia bom e wokuo ba kumu ama enema etimi eden ekoso eno ana esi nkonya onimdia kwanchire program so bra grandpa agina konya meminda nonan apa hosima aduasa dia ena na ya adwen ko be fa soma private education eden akoso Mr. Koso ahwe dwumadie na ebeboa ama nwomesua school ye ni nyina eden atumpon an program no so ye di agro ewo so enkra talent no eno so ye kan ho asem showcase bi ana so ye bi so kire na hye nkran ama private school anya nmonyam Koso ahwe dwumadie wati Koso ahwe Royal TV na obeye nhira offer me grandpa yenshia e onimdia kwanchire program so e Royal TV memenda nonan epa hosima aduasa yenshia na yensusu ensem ho yensin konya yeni agro yentonton adwen Ghana National Council of Private Schools NACOS redefining the face of private schools woman na waka awofo achechirefo school ru anom ene obia bom e wokuo ba kumu ama enema etimi eden ekoso eno ana esi nkonya onimdia kwanchire program so bra grandpa agina konya meminda nonan apa hosima aduasa dia ena na ya adwen ko be fa soma private education eden akoso Mr. Koso ahwe dwumadie na ebeboa ama nwomesua school ye ni nyina eden atumpon an program no so ye di agro ewo so enkra talent no eno so ye kan ho asem showcase bi ana so ye bi so kire na hye nkran ama private school anya nmonyam Koso ahwe dwumadie wati Koso ahwe Royal TV na obeye nhira offer me grandpa yenshia e onimdia kwanchire program so e Royal TV memenda nonan epa hosima aduasa yenshia na yensusu ensem ho yensin konya yeni agro yentonton adwen Ghana National Council of Private Schools NACOS redefining the face of private schools woman na waka awofo achechirefo school ru anom ene obia bom e wokuo ba kumu ama enema etimi eden ekoso eno ana esi nkonya onimdia kwanchire program so minimza sa brede uhu machi ha ne menchemu ha se enya agro kra so jafo misrompo na so so yeso jafo aye manoa omo ba be display kakra enti metwe me ho na ya hwenea omo ba be na iwia ya ka ho asem ma remfi say promise school ena yene o edi djuma ene no omo che no mata de no kre hunhuna me dodo edi grandpa metwe me ho omo wia na yatoa so edi yansa anye nkra to kakra bi be sima ba ko bi ye be wie no na omo so omo achinchi omo tu no omo che na wie na yatoa so